Guys, today we're in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Jimmy's Kitchen's officially going international with Chef Ann at the beautiful Zabb-E-Lee cooking school and her amazing restaurant. What does Zabb-E-Lee stand for?
Zabb-E-Lee means hot and delicious.
Ooh, let's check out this place. This place is beautiful,
Welcome.
Chef. When did you build this?
Last 5 years ago
Wow, and it took 5 years to build.
to build it,
That's
to
amazing.
make it beautiful.
I mean, and it's
Welcome.
incredibly beautiful. Wow, what a space. So you do events, you do a cooking school, and you host just a restaurant, right?
Yes, I run a restaurant along the COVID. So since last 2 years ago, it's no tourist in Chiang Mai at all. So I decided to open my house to do a restaurant in Chiang Mai, in my house here.
Wait, you actually live here?
I live here. This is my house.
Oh, I'm gonna move in after this. All right, what are we're gonna make pad thai, and we're gonna make khao soi, which is my favorite.
Yes.
This is gonna be delicious. Okay, this is all our ingredients. We have garlic chives, sprouts, pork rinds. This is our minced up shallots and garlic with a little dry krill, pickle radish, and tofu, very firm turmeric tofu. Fresh shrimpies, our mixed sauce. Look at that color, it's beautiful. This is oyster sauce with the palm sugar, tamarind, and fish sauce. Oh yeah. And now we got our rice noodles with the very important egg. Ready for a pad thai. No
Salad?
ketchup.
No ketchup.
Ketchup is for farang.
Farang is his new favorite word.
Yeah.
Everywhere we
It-
go.
You
are Farang.
I know.
Is that a...
He was
Am I
wondering.
farang because
I
I'm
think so.
Asian?
No.
I'm not
Farang
Farang.
is like a blonde hair.
American accent though.
Yes, American accent. So if you speak American accent, they call you Farang. But Farang in Thai it means blonde hair.
Yeah.
Oh,
Like
okay.
Quai Lo in Cantonese.
Yeah.
You don't
I
call
mean,
me
I know
farang.
I am.
Yeah.
I'm sure if you are.
There you
Alright,
go.
so now both of you put this pile inside the garlic pile. Scoop
Should we
it.
wait for it to get hot
It's
first?
already hot. So we can start it like this because it's gonna be hot and hot. If it's hot
Okay.
and put them inside garlic, it's gonna burn.
So
easily.
garlic, shrimp.
This pile.
Okay.
Scoop it down and you put them on the side, not direct
Okay.
to the oil.
So garlic, shallots, shrimp, pickle radish,
Low drop time, low
and
drop
then
on the side.
lower. Okay, tofu.
Now
Okay.
shrimp in and then fry it
Oh,
together.
shrimp in already. Okay, this is fast. This is going fast.
Yeah.
Shrimp now, Bri.
Wow.
Very fast.
Shrimpery, shrimp.
Okay.
Am I supposed to toss it or just stir it?
Yeah, you do right. Okay, now both of you crack the egg on top of the shrimp.
Okay. Okay, I see. I don't know how to crack it with one hand, so I'm just gonna crack it with two.
And put them on top of the shrimp. Okay, and then we leave the egg there for a while.
Let it sit.
Let
Okay.
it sit for a while.
So form some kind of an
Alright,
omelet.
now, mix a little bit.
A
Flip.
little bit on the side.
Like that. You flip it.
Okay.
Add noodle.
Noodles on that side.
Okay.
Okay.
Go.
Basket of noodles.
And then I put water a little bit.
Water.
Hold your handle down like this.
Okay. I've seen them do it in the
And you
street
put
food
just the
stalls.
noodles. We
Cooking
smoke
just
the
the
handle
noodle,
like
right?
this. So the egg is this way is not burning. So you cook on the
Oh,
noodle.
nice.
Got it.
So you get all the
Only noodles in the
caramelization
bottom.
off with
Then
the
you stir
water.
it, all the sauce.
All the sauce. Come on.
Okay.
Scoop everything in.
Okay.
All the sauce in and scoop everything. Alright, we fry. You can see the colors coming.
Yes.
Yeah, this is great.
And when it's burning a little, it's fine.
No. Put everything
Okay.
in.
Okay, the
One,
chicharron,
two,
Yeah,
three.
the garlic
everything.
chives, the...
And fry all together in a short time.
Oh, now we got a pad thai, guys.
This is really fresh.
This looks great. How does yours look? Yours looks great. Wow. I like it.
And then your plate is underneath. So bring it up and pour. Put your pad thai into the middle of that.
Oh, thank you. It's already pre-plated with some salad.
Oh, look at that.
great.
High-end pad thai.
Oh, this is great.
Little chili powder. Oh, too much. Okay. Little peanuts. Little sugar to make it sweeter. Bam. A nice lime. I don't even care if I'm allergic to lime or not. We're doing this. And got some secret ingredient here.
Banana blossom.
Oh, that's beautiful.
This is the baby banana, which is we're not supposed to eat it.
Mm-hmm.
We eat the white layer.
Mm-hmm.
So we also put them on the side.
Okay, now we got ourselves a dish.
That's the finishing touch. We can't get that at home. It's amazing.
Extra
And not
chicharron
everybody
on the
can fit
side.
like Very special.
This is the pad thai. This is, to be fair, Bri's plate. It looks a little prettier than mine. Very tangy. I like that spice on top. It's really good. A little bit of sweetness. This is banana leaf. So like a nice palate cleanser. It's almost like a floral bamboo. Delicious. Very aromatic. Oh, and pork rind. Very crunchy. Great texture. Very proud of myself, but this is Bri's plate. Proud of Bri.
But you don't look too close. Someone burnt eyebrow already, okay?
You burned the eyebrow before?
Not me, it's somebody else.
Oh,
They're
okay.
just like...
Oh, Farang has burned that.
Farang, because